In this video, we are going to see how you can manage files with Python. For example, let me create something called file name. So currently I don't have any other files inside this directory. You can see over here. So let's create a new file with some name. So for example, hello.txt, and need to have this file with some content, for example. So if I need to open a file with write permissions in Python, I can use there is a built-in function called open. So let's specify something like op operation, for example. Operation equals, can use open, that's the pre-built function, and I can specify the file name. So file underscore name, so that's the file name for this case, and I can open that with write permissions. So I use W. So if you need it in read only, you use an R, but we need to write something to that, and we can specify like we can write something to this. So operation dot write, so that's the another built-in method which we are going to use, and we can type whatever we want inside this. For example, let's do something like hello to me. So if I run this program, it's going to open up a file and it's going to write the content inside the file hello.txt, but we don't have an operation to close the file because we didn't close this file. This is going to like leave chunks of memory unused, so let's close that. So we can specify our operation dot close, for example. So what this does is we are going to open up a file with name hello.txt. so currently we don't have one with write permissions, and we are going to write inside that hello to me, and we are going to close that file. So if I run this program, python 1.py, currently you can see we have a hello.txt here. So if we open that up, you can see hello to me. So if I run the same program with different input, for example hello world, I'm not changing anything except the text inside this. So if I run this again, inside this file you can see it overwrote the previous contents of the file. So if I need to write something or append something, I can use the key A and hello world again. So if I do that, this is going to append the contents to the file. If I do that, you can see inside this we have this hello world and hello world again. So if I need a new line, I can do like \n, for example. So if I run this, it's going to be placed in a new line, hopefully. Yes. So doing this is actually okay, but it's a bit tiring process. So what you can do is you can actually make with a with operation. So I'm just going to remove all these things, just like comment this out. Just going to clear them out, and I can form this in one single line, for example. So can do like with open file name, and I can specify in which manner I need to open. So I'm just going to append the lines, and I can specify as operation. So that's how you access that, and just see the colon because we are indenting over here, and we can do like file to this. We can do like operation dot write, and we can write whatever we want. So more stuff goes here. So if I need this in a new line, just put a new line \n. So this is going to create a new line. So if I run this program again, just see the contents of hello over here inside this text file. So if I run this program again, and if I open that file, you can see most of course here is written over here. So that's how you like access file with Python. So you can read, write, or you have like multiple flags. You can like basically read, write exclusively open. You can do like in binary mode. You can open for updating. So if you now it's going to be read only. So I put this as read only, and inside this I'm just going to type more stuff, and if I run this I'm going to get an error. You can see this is not supported because the file is not writable. So you have to be sure in which mode you have to, like, you're opening the file. So just be careful how you like access the file, because if you try to read, like write something to a read on file, it cannot happen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this one was helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.